it's Linda Sears with Apple Chevrolet. I'm sitting here in your new 2012 Silverado. I wanted to show you it so you could see all the room it has inside. Let's start in the back. As you see, it has a fold-up 60/40 seat. It's cloth seats, plenty of room for the two of us. You have this nice area in between. It has auto, dual control, auto climate control, which is really nice. It has a USB port. It has 6-way power seats on the driver's side. The steering wheel has on the control for both your radio and your cruise control. Let me show you the outside. I love the chrome grille. It's a beautiful black. It includes 6 months of OnStar. It has a 5.3-liter V8 engine. Extra padding on the tailgate. Step-up tailgate. That's nice. Nice wheels. Here it is. I hope you come down and test drive it. My name again is Linda Sears with Apple Chevrolet. My number is 708-342-4174. Hope to see you soon. Bye.